Back with all the air conditioners in Houston, and this weather came. This compressor is starting to fail. It's making this grinding noise right here. As you can hear.
0 people.
The compressor is starting to fail back there.
Zero people. Speech off.
The air compressor is failing back there. As you can hear. I don't know what's making that noise. Well, the scrolls are damaged, and that's why the internal scrolls are damaged, I think. This is for some HVAC enthusiasts, like HVAC explorations, HVAC adventures, HVAC reductions. Bright Mechanical and more, and all those who I subscribe to. I don't know why they didn't get a replacement, or why they didn't replace that unit or the compressor, because it's still failing. They didn't get frequent maintenance done with that unit. This is also for Climate Force HVAC and enthusiast, whatever the channel name is. But shows just like that 2021 Concorde Climate Force HVAC. Now, what the Concorde was that the metering device wasn't working that well, and so the compressor made this grinding noise. Sounds just like it. Either they have to replace this whole entire unit, or just have to replace the compressor. Because this unit is actually 3 years old. It's 2021 Weather King, 1.5 ton. He's like 3 years old. So yeah, I was back from Europe to Houston. I'm back here I was back from Europe to here. It's the over 50 hertz region until I decide to plan to go back again. I remember that back in Romania, that Hyundai condenser had a really amazing sounding rotary compressor at startup. I should have done a full cycle on it. It was like too hot outside, so I can't do it. Plus the bugs and all that, you know. Usually in the afternoons it doesn't want to shut off this unit right here, so it keeps running constantly with this issue with the compressor right here. Even the startup has just kicked off. Even a startup, it makes the worst grinding noise. You're gonna see in a second when it kicks back on. It just shut off, and they're still original. They're the brand new Retriever and Neverlands back there, 2023. It was installed a year ago. A little over a year old, but it still works like a champ. never had any problems with those two, or with those three actually. 2 tons. Yeah, that Weather King shut off back there. That's a 1.5 ton. They also have a brand new unit back there, the Weather King 2.5 ton 2024. They also have a Weather King 2 ton, also 2024. These are pretty cool brand new units that I've seen. Here in just a minute, this Weather King is going to kick back on and you're going to hear the compressor start. It's going to make a worse grinding noise. It didn't do that before, but it was grinding, but it didn't do it worse like this. So that means it's showing signs that the compressor is failing pretty soon enough. It never done it before. So when I checked up on it that day, I think it was Monday or something like that, a couple days ago. Yeah, it was Monday. Monday night, it did this. It never done it before. So I think it needs to get replaced pretty soon. With, I don't know which unit they're going to replace with, if I'm predicting a Weather King, another Weather King. I think. So here in just a minute, we're going to see the startup of the 2021 Weather King with the worstest sounding compressor on startup. It's like grinding a lot. Other units are running too, by the way. There's the 2020 Wood Achiever 2 ton unit. And this 2020 Weather King 2 ton just started. Right there, I don't know if you can see that. But one of them, 2023 2 ton Wood Achiever Neverlands. Downstairs unit has the best and incredible sounding scroll compressor that I've heard. Here it goes. That one has the most amazing sounding compressor I've heard on this one. Oops. That one. This one right here that just started has the most amazing sounding scroll compressor. Comparing it to that 2021 Weather King back there. Now that one is a 2 ton and the Weather King is 1.5 ton back there, the 2021 unit. In just a minute you can hear a startup of it again. And the 2019 Weather King 2 ton just started back there. Yeah, those units are not mine, but the 2021 unit is the one involved in it. That one needs to get checked up and possibly get replaced. Here in just a minute you're gonna hear a startup. It's gonna have the worstest sounding compressor. Worstest sounding compressor, I mean. Here in just a minute, you're gonna hear it starting. Comment down below if you think the compressor is actually showing signs of failing. My HVAC enthusiast who I subscribe to, comment down below in this video when I upload it. And see what you think. If the compressor is showing signs of failure on that 2021 Weather King 1.5 ton unit. Listen for that startup on the 1.5 ton. continue where the YouTube clip just started. See that? That's what I'm talking about. That is one of the worstest sounding startups I've heard. So it's likely showing signs of failing. Alright, comment down below if you think the compressor is showing signs of failure and that GNR just shut off. So comment down below if you think the compressor is showing signs of failure sooner than later. My HVAC enthusiasts who I subscribe to, comment down below.
Speech on. Stop record.